I just want you. I just want you. The words I never said but wanted to. I'm losing you. I'm losing you. Oh, but these thoughts won't let you go. They keep running back to you. And I'm bleeding words, they escape me, the recoil it hurts. And I can't look the other way. I'm chasing starlight to find a start away. Breathe it in, it's just now, we're just falling, and we won't always free fall back to nothing, 'cause I'm just starting to learn. I've always been chasing in the wake of dawn, I see you shine. When I feel that heartbeat, I fly so much higher, fly so much higher. don't let go, skyward bound.
Gazing up at the sky, when the stars began to fade, dimming lanterns in our eyes, thought there was nothing to find. I stopped searching for a reason, just let the world embrace us. In the silence, we are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run right through, I'll be there to help you shine. promise you this. As long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light. You'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the meteors fall out of our view. Can't escape from this pressure inside you, but tonight the stars align. When the cracks start